I told them I was joining Viva. But they thought Viva won.
Okay. Nagsinungaling ka?
Hindi po. Kasi ang akala ko talaga, both naman po talaga, Viva 1 and Viva Max. Sadyang nauna lang po yung Viva Max. But he probably knows already because he sees on my Instagram. So wala na din po siyang gagawa. Siyempre, I make my own money. I live alone. Yun po. So, and I'm much older, so I don't think he has any qualms about it. And he knows it's acting. It's acting, it's not real. There's not anything real about the scenes.
Yes.
Daya-daya lang po yun.
So, okay lang sa kanila na...
Hindi ko pa po natatanong, pero
Ay,
nakikita na nila sa RG.
Tatanong mo ba, Angel?
Hindi na po, okay na yun.
Sige. Tapos sabi mo kanina, parang naapektuhan ka ng mga bashing sa'yo
Dami nilang...
during your younger days. Na,
Yeah.
May mental health issues ba na involved?
Yeah. During umam ka ng name drop, may isa po akong show before. I think it was my first soap na heavy drama.
Ito ba yung nagbabagal ba?
Yes po. Ano po, during nung nag-air na po siya, syempre ang daming haters, death threats, whatever. Lahat na lang ng mali sa akin nakikita nila. Kahit yung mga hindi ko nakikita sa sarili ko, nakikita nila. So I went to a shrink and I got diagnosed with depression. And I had to take, yes, I had to take medicine for it. So yun po, hindi ko talaga kinaya. But now I feel like I'm much older, much more fierce. And if you see something bad about me, I'm not gonna believe you. Or even if totoong may something bad about me, wala akong pake, basta I'm happy with myself.
So, recovered ka na mula doon?
Yes, I've recovered. I took 2 years off and I feel like I really needed it.
Okay.